All right, for the GT2 RS Clubsport, you can't find exhaust out there for this car. So we're going to unbox this one. This came from Germany, and we worked with Jürgen there, and he's been great to work with. And yeah, let's unbox this. Call out to Spyderco, cool blue carbon. Pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty cool. They did a great job packaging this. Let's get her unpacked. How about those tips? I like it. They did a great job. What do you think, Brian?
I think it looks fantastic.
Right?
Super crisp.
Yeah, so these will come out on each side, connect in the middle. Unlike the street car where it has the exhaust tips on the outer part, this is a back center exhaust. And this is just gonna delete the muffler in the back. So it should be pretty cool. Stay tuned, we'll do a sound bite once we have this installed to the car. All right, got the stock exhaust off. Pretty straightforward. It's actually pretty light, probably about 45 pounds. And we're replacing it with these. They're from Albert Motorsports in Germany. Jürgen hooked us up, replicating the 935 tips. So far, so good. Installation went really well. Let's see, we used the stock V-bands.